student has to develop critical thinking skills. So they have to understand, they have to question the things, and their thinking skills and questioning skills has to be developed, which we do in Exceed. So we'd like to call some students who will present in front of you whatever they have learned in the class. We'll ask some questions and you'll come to know. So I'd like to call the students of grade 6th and 7th.
This is basically...
Please give a big hand for them. Just now when Meenal ma'am came, I thought of introducing students in front of you. They were not prepared for this. They were prepared for something else today. But when I asked them, what did you learn in Exceed and all? So they said, sir, don't worry. We are going to talk in front of parents. Girls, are you ready?
Yes.
Feeling confident? Okay, can I get one more mic? Okay, you can give. Okay, one at a time. Okay, so may I know your name? Can you introduce yourself?
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, all of you. My name is Romana Abdul Imran from grade 7th A.
Okay, Romana, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Science?
Yeah.
Okay, so in science, what is your favorite chapter?
My favorite chapter, nutrition in plants.
Nutrition in plants?
Yeah.
Okay, so her favorite chapter is nutrition in plant. So how was this chapter explained to you? What activity teacher has done?
In my school, we have done that. We have like in pout, we have pulled water in that, and we have kept one white color flower. In that, we have put one drop of the color.
Okay.
And we have kept it to 24 hours. And we saw that white flowers became so colorful.
Oh, so they have done hands-on activity where, you know, they have kept flower in colorful water, and after 24 hours, when you observed,
Yeah.
okay, 24 घंटे के बाद जब वो लोगों ने activity को observe किया तो क्या पाया? What was there?
That is very like
White flower turned into what?
colorful flower.
Colorful flower.
Yeah.
So you enjoyed that activity?
Yeah, very.
But what was your learning? क्या सीखा आपने उसमें?
In that we have seen that ki, like how plants will in the color, how they will become in the color.
Okay, so through what, like they are, you know, observing
Yeah.
the colors through stem. Okay, so that was your learning.
Yeah.
And will you be able to write these answers?
Yeah, we can write.
Will you know, buttify the answer, or without buttifying you can write on your own?
Without butterfly, we can write.
That is the power, you know. Clap for this girl parent. We don't believe in, you know, buttifying the answers. हम लोग आंसर्स के रटने में बिलीव नहीं करते. हम लोग चाहते हैं कि बच्चे खुद समझे और खुद समझकर वो अपने खुद से आंसर लिखें. इसलिए लिख पाते हैं कि जब कोई बंदा उसको ऑब्जर्व करता है तो वो आसानी से उसको समझ सकता है. मैं इसकी मिसाल आपको इस तरह दूंगा कि अगर मैं आपको थियोरेटिकली ये समझाया कि साइकिल किस तरह चलाना है, मैं एक बोर्ड ले लिया और आपको बोर्ड पे साइकिल का डायग्राम उतार के बताया कि ये हैंडल है, ये पैडल है, ये ब्रेक है, तो क्या आप साइकिल चलाना सीख सकेंगे? नहीं. साइकिल चलाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? साइकिल पे बैठना पड़ेगा और उसको एक्सपीरियंस करना पड़ेगा. सो एक्सीड में वी डू एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग, एक्सपीरियंशियल टीचिंग. स्टूडेंट्स एक्सपीरियंस इट. इसी तरह जो औरतें बैठी हैं, गोल रोटी आप किस तरह से बनाएं? पहली बार में गोल रोटी बन गई? रोटी गोल पहले से बन गई थी? कितने बार प्रैक्टिस किया आपने? कई बार प्रैक्टिस करने से अब क्या होता है? सुबह सुबह फजर में आप उठती हैं और जब रोटी बनाती है तो गोल हो जाती है, राइट? यस. ओके, वेरी गुड रोमाना.
Thank you, sir.
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Myself, Farheen,
Okay, Fareen, what is your favorite subject, Fareen?
social.
Meenan ma'am will ask you some questions.
Okay. So Farheen, what's your favorite chapter in social?
My favorite chapter in social is market around us.
Okay, market around us. So how did you learn this chapter in your class? How was this taught to you?
We did an activity. Actually, my favorite lesson is advertisement.
Advertisement. Okay. So let's talk about advertisement. How was advertisement taught to you?
Activity that we have choose our favorite products and teacher said to make an advertisement on it. So I took lipstick, then I made an advertisement on it. My advertise was like it's 24 hours, it's waterproof. This was my advertisement. So I got appreciation from my teacher and I learned how to make advertise.
Good. Okay. So one thing. So what did you learn about making advertisement? How to make a good advertisement?
Like we should take
Keep your mic near you.
points which suits that product. Then we can make that advertisement.
All right, very good. Let's give her a huge round of applause for expressing her thoughts confidently. And parents, this is a real life example that they have done in their own class. And every day their lessons look like this.
ओके सी पेरेंट्स, इसमें बच्चों ने क्या किया था कि एडवर्टाइजमेंट कैसे बनाते हैं और एडवर्टाइजमेंट का मतलब क्या है, वो लोगों ने प्रैक्टिकली सारा करके दिखाया क्लास में. राइट? यू एंजॉयड दैट एक्टिविटी?
Yes, I enjoyed.
Okay, now over to Simra. Simra of 6th class. Okay, Simra, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and science.
English and science. So would you love to talk about English first or science first?
English.
English. Okay, what did you learn in English? What is your favorite thing?
My favorite is describing an interview.
Describing an interview. Wow. Can you tell me how would you do it?
We wrote an interview and we described the events of our people life. Like we asked an interview with the 7th graders.
Okay, so shall we do one interview with one of our parent? Parent, anyone is ready? This girl would like to have an interview with you. Anyone can come? She will take proper interview with proper chronology. She knows how to do it, right? Simra. Okay, anyone can? Please come. Please come. So you are going to see an upcoming journalist. Journalist Simra. Walaikum salam. Please come in front. Simra, you can start an interview.
So first, I want you to describe how your childhood was. Like, how do you spend your leisure time when you were young?
Well, when we were young, we used to spend our time playing some games. Like we used to make our own games, like who can touch the wall on the most height, like those games. Or let us see who will shout for how long. Those games, indoor games, because we were unable to go outside. So that's why.
So how was your childhood and your school life?
School life, we had, even we had CBSE syllabus. In that syllabus also we had discussions. After our exam, lesson, first we used to have a lesson, then a class test, then we used to, sorry, not class test, we used to have a discussion on question answers, okay? Everyone used to get mingled, but the poor students were lagging behind, and the students who are, good in the class, they were the only who used to answer.
Okay,
Not
one
the
more
poor
last
students.
question, Simra. Then we'll move ahead to your one more favorite subject, that is science.
So what are your future plans?
Future plans. Right now, I myself is in my future, like, I have changed my career line, and actually I was teaching as a lecturer. Now I have changed to some other line. I
Okay.
have changed my career.
Okay, thank you, sister, for coming.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, I would like to tell something, sir. Just
Yeah.
now you were telling about the roti, how we used to make before. We used to practice, right? We used to practice, then we used to get the round figure of the roti. But nowadays, children, what they do, using their thinking skills, they make the roti first time round. What they do when mother is not there, they take something round and they cut and they say, "This mother, I made the roti." This is the thinking skill, and that is the practicing skill.
Yes,
Thank you,
yes,
sir.
yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, ma'am. And same thing was done by Simra. We just asked her to take an interview like 2 minutes back, and these questions she hasn't written anywhere. She's asking on her own. We did not even ask her to prepare for these questions. She's on her own.
So you see, our girls are very confident. We'll ask her one question with regards to science. What is your favorite chapter in science?
Lights and images.
Lights and images. Okay, how did you, like, what activity was shown by the teacher for explaining this chapter?
We took a ball, a torch, and a paper as a screen. So in that we came to know that how a shadow is formed by the opaque object. It blocks the light to pass through them. So because of that, a shadow is formed.
Okay, so we have done an activity with torch, opaque object, and a paper. Okay, and you understood how the shadows are formed.
Yes.
Now, are you very clear with the chapter?
Yes.
Okay, can you write answers on your own?
Yes.
Okay, so clap for these girls, parents. You might have seen the confidence in the students. So, mashallah, students are called instantly on the stage, and they are able to, articulate the things in their own way. So that is great for them, and see their confidence. वरना क्या होता है, girls हो या boys हो, छोटी class के students जब आते हैं, तो they shake. When they hold the mic, they shake. They are unable to speak in proper sentences. But our girls, alhamdulillah, are able to do it. Well done, girls. Congratulations. Thank you. Yeah. So that's all from our side. Thank you, Meenal ma'am, for coming, and thank you for explaining Exceed in a detailed way with the help of students. Thank you, parents, for listening to us. Now we are going to start high school programs.
Yes.